this video, we'll look at adding a new time slot event and repeating it to behave like a recurring event. In Service, time slot events are used to create opportunities that require registrations across multiple time frames, days, or volunteer roles. To add a new time slot event, click Add New Opportunity under Opportunity Management. For opportunity type, select Time Slot Event. Enter the number of slots you'd like to add and click on Add Slots. For events which occur over a longer period of time or recurring events, we recommend adding in a single day of slots to start, essentially to behave as templates. We'll show you how to repeat those templates in a later step. Enter the slot date, start and end times, number of volunteers needed, status, number of credit hours the shift is worth, and optionally a note or role that you would like displayed with the slot. Next, fill out the remaining required event information like name and description, and click Create Opportunity. You'll now see your new time slot event listed within the Opportunity Management dashboard. To copy your time slots into the future, click the Manage Time Slots button, click the Repeat Time Slot button next to the corresponding slot number, select the days of the week to repeat, your frequency, and your date range. If you need to add time slots to your schedule that aren't similar to an existing time slot, click Add Additional Time Slots. You can also remove unnecessary time slots by clicking the trash can icon next to any of the time slots, and then clicking to Update Time Slot Information at the top or bottom of the page. Additionally, there are bulk update options at the bottom of the page for making changes to all or some of the time slots in one step. For a tutorial on duplicating an entire time slot event, or really any opportunity, follow the link in the description.